This warning has been issued by the Hurricane Police Department. Please stand by for further instructions. The Hurricane Police Department has issued a child abduction warning. Please listen to this following message as it might save the children's lives. 5 children were reported missing after attending a birthday party at the local Freddy Fazbear's pizzeria. Their names are Gabriel, Jeremy, Fritz, Susie and Cassidy. They were last seen today at 4 p.m. Mountain Time Zone. From what our police department managed to gather, we can easily say that the children are either somehow still inside the restaurant or they were transported via a secret exit. We have also found someone on the security footage wearing a yellow rabbit costume luring the 5 children one by one into the parts and service room. Some witnesses described the rabbit as Springbonnie, an older mascot from Fred Beard's Family Diner. We are completely clueless as to what happened to the children. Our only suspect as of this moment is the co-founder of Fazbear's Entertainment, William Afton. Please, if you have any information regarding the children's whereabouts, then please call the Hurricane Police Department. We will try our best to bring these children back. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.